got a question, I got an answer. Let's go to Jamie in Dallas. I don't know why this keeps falling out of my ear today. It's one of those days. Jamie, how are you?
Hi, Uncle Brett. How you doing, sir?
Good, good. What's going on?
Awesome. I'm doing great. I'll cut to the chase. I have a church. Who wants to follow religious visa for me. I overstayed. Already. I overstayed my B1 visa. So I was thinking, is it possible for the church to file for me when I've overstayed?
Is it possible for the church to file for you as an overstay? Is that your question?
No. So the church is willing to file R1 visa for me.
What do you do for the church?
I'm in charge of the music.
You're a music minister, or you're just in charge of music?
I'm a music minister in the church.
Okay. So you've overstayed by how long now?
Oh, by about 2 years now.
All right. Because you overstayed your time, you can't change your status to an R visa. You would have to go back to your home country to get it. And then because you've overstayed by more than a year, you would have a 10-year bar. So R visa is not for you, unfortunately.
So is it possible to file for asylum? Then the church filed for me?
No. You file for asylum if you have a fear of returning to your home country. Because you have not filed for asylum within the first year of your entry into America, you would have to show what changes happened, what materially changed in your home country that you didn't think about filing for asylum when you first came, but now 3 years later or 2 years later, you want to file, like something drastically changed.
Yeah, so it makes it tougher.
Yeah. So both of those options I don't see as plausible unless you really have a real fear of returning that to your home country that you didn't have previously. Maybe you just want a private consultation. We can figure out other options off the air. Hold on. Let's go to Boban in Charlotte, North Carolina. Boban.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Well, good, and you?
Good, good. What's going on?
Okay, I think I got 3 questions.
Yeah,
okay,
go ahead.
The first one is, okay, can I travel with I-551 stamp in my passport?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. The second one is, okay, I'm waiting for my I-751 to be approved, you know. So, but meanwhile, I got married, so it's okay to bring my spouse here once my I-751 get approved.
Wait, you're filing an I-751 based on a marriage to a U.S. citizen that apparently you are no longer married to because you're talking about a spouse in another country.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So what happened to the marriage with the U.S. citizen?
I mean, it didn't work out since 2018. So it didn't work out. So we got divorced.
All right. And when did you get your conditional green card?
It was in 2017, November.
All right. So you could not file for a new spouse until November 2022. So you have 5 years from the time you got your conditional green card before you can file for a new spouse. So you're not in that.
Okay.
Now I want you to know that because you got divorced, you have to prove you were in a bona fide marriage with your spouse. You intended to have a life together with that American citizen spouse, and you intended to do that when you got your green card, and you were in a bona fide marriage with her after you got your green card until the marriage broke up. The fact that you're married to somebody else doesn't help your situation. I don't know if it hurt. I mean, I don't know if it hurts it, but it certainly doesn't help that you quickly married someone else and you can't file for that woman anyway.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Hang in there.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.